Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can trace messages in Office 365. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe because I regularly upload videos on your demands. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that you want to ask, please go ahead and ask. So let's proceed with this. So in front of you, I have opened Security and Compliance Center, or I should say the Admin Center of Security and Compliance. So here I have an option Mail Flow. One is Dashboard, where you can see the data, and then you have this message trace where you can actually trace. So because I have not done much activities here, and this is my test environment, so that's why you don't see much information here. Like I have not sent any email for past some time, so that's why you don't see anything here. And I have received some, so that's why you see here. You can even check the details here. Alright, now we'll trace the messages. So go to message trace. So when you run a trace means you need to run some queries. So by default, these are the queries provided. You have a custom query also that I created, and you can save the query, and whenever you run a query, the report comes here, and then you get notified based on the address you put, and then you can download. Alright, so now if I want to do tracing, I can click on start a trace. Now I have few options before I do that. Like I have these default queries here. I can pick any of these and run. Like message received by my primary domain. So this is here, like anybody who has this email address, and this is the duration of time. Let's say I want to track for last 9 days, 30 days, 40 days, whatever. I can put more search options: delivery status, message ID, direction, original client IP address. I can always filter out. Report types, which one would you like? Enhanced report type, extended report type. All these options you have available. But if you don't want to go through any, just click on start address. Now to these people, again I'm going to put my address. Duration, I can put any. More search option, I don't want to modify any. Choose report type: summary report, instant online access, enhanced, or extend. I wanted to go for extended. Next. Report title is here. I did not click on save, otherwise I would have created a query. Click on prepare report. So now the request is submitted and it has come here. This is the one that we submitted. So once this is ready, I'll be notified on my email, and then I can come here and I can download. So that's how simple it is, and that's how you can manage. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that you want to ask, please go ahead and ask. And if you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you.